It's for Mike's stream to end before I can go live. Otherwise, my for some odd reason, some of the platforms all won't go live simultaneously. So there's like a specific weird like way I gotta do this. Oh, okay, okay. After the preview, give the strategy a name. Anything else you would like? Okay. Oh, okay. There are the conditions. Okay. Let's save it. And I believe we should be live. I think we're live on the interwebs now, my friend. I believe we are live. How's it going, everybody? Good to see you all. Welcome to the stream. Why is, oh, it's because this guy needs to be here. Now we can minimize that. All right, there we go. Now, okay, it's saved. Oh, there it is now. So where can I deploy it? Oh, I can. Oh, that's gonna be neat. Full port Sharpie. Man, that would be actually kind of cool if it actually worked right. Trump just give an ad for them. Yeah, probably this will be just an ad for them. Yeesh. Tell you, man. It's crazy. It's criminal. Well, that's kind of cool. So I guess we can build a strategy, but for the time being, we just can't implement it. That'd be kind of cool. You guys are going to be able to have bots inside of this, which is going to be kind of sad because if you guys have like Ninja Trader bots, you won't be able to bring those over. That's the only thing that kind of sucks about it, low key. You know what I'm saying? Let me see. Oh, I got that message. Now, what do we got to do with this? Now we got to. but still talking. He is giving us the finger to the market. Now, what should we do? Okay, so we were going to work on 4 hour support resistance. So let's work on that real quick and throw that here on the chart. Let's see if this is just like trading view. Okay, good, 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 good. So I can use Alt H for my support resistance line. So let's get a few of those here, especially since we're like way here at the bottom. There's one right there somewhere. What? One like right there. And then you got this wick. Where the heck down there? It's just hard having the window so small. It's actually pretty small for me. There's a 200 right there. I think that's enough. I should I do some further below? I should do some further below because we're like dangerously close to just dipping. Maybe a little one right there. I think that's about it. I don't think we need any more. I think that should cover us. I'm getting short signals here on the NAS now. All right, let's switch time frames now. And we have ticks. Some of you guys are tick traders. That's pretty cool. I don't even have to worry about like paying a subscription for that stuff now. Huh. That is pretty neat. Okay. I do kind of like that. All right, let's get over to the 3. We're gonna need to look for a pullback, maybe, and we can get on this thing. Oh lordy. Well, there it is. There's the end of London Power Hour. We're 4 minutes past it. I think I've messed around enough with my chart, so we got a couple of little things. You know what? Can you add a F? Add FEG to the chart. Let's see. See if we can add up fair value gaps. WTI crude is up 10%. Okay. Yeah. So we got a fair value gap detector now. Okay. Okay. What about pivots? Can you add a 4 hour pivots? Wow, man. I no, sheesh. Can your boy spell over here? Uh this is kind of neat though that you could just type it, you know? Okay, 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 okay. There we go. We got pivots now. Traditional pivots. And can we? Oh, look at that. That's pretty neat. Okay. I wonder if they have. Okay, you guys were asking about fibs. This looks like TradingView. No, they don't have fibs yet. So we can't add fibs. I'm surprised they wouldn't have Fibonacci's on this. Yeah, you know what? That's actually not that long of a list. What are you guys doing in chat? What else should we add to this? Oh, moving average, money flow, momentum. What is that other one? I think it's emoji cloud. That actually can be good sometimes. Why did they put this at the top? That is a mess. Scott Bassett saying that the US dollar is benefiting from the conflict in the Middle East. Is he making the argument that war is good? Is that literally what is being said? Oh my God. What else should we try on this? Okay. What else can you do to help me find better, to find trades in the midday? Let's see what it says. Why does it look so faded? It's the only thing I don't like about this. So what I guess this thing is going to throw a signal now because I have that strategy. Huh. I still like how the chart looks dim. I mean, I know I got the dark theme on, but it looks like kind of dim. Doesn't look like vibrant. Like it's in dark mode. Like, like dim mode for the evening. Just saying. Oh. Now we just gotta wait. We can get a little pullback. We can participate in the short. It is pretty quick, though. I will say that. Pretty responsive. I got silver moving on my chart too. Is anybody trading silver or gold today? Trump is talking about Germany now. It's like I was getting up my chats. Stop silver. Oof, crazy. That's insane. All right, sorry. I was just organizing myself because I got a bunch of stuff I've been trying to get up and running, and I'm not running my normal charts since I'm only using the trade seed chart. So it's going to be a little different. A little different. All right, then. Well, you know what? Let's get down to the 15-minute. Let's set up our orbs on the chart. Oh, look at that. We got some support resistance here on the top, the higher time frames. Yeah, pretty interesting. 8:45. Man, are you freaking kidding me? That's the 15-minute candle this morning. Oh my god. What does it look like on MES? Doesn't look like that, does it? No, it looks better on there. Let me check it over here. Let's see what it looks like here. Nope, that's the candle. All right. That is exactly the candle. That is disgusting. I don't even know what to call this thing. It probably just means that we're gonna end up with a uh probably just means we're gonna end up with a choppy day and we're gonna be in the range. All right, there's the orb high. A joker. And we're right at the bottom of it too. All right, and there's our orb low set up. That's kind of nice. It's kind of nice. Oh heck. I have to lock these. Okay. Okay. I wish I could get like the daily open and the London high automated, right? Let's see what it can do. Awakening the Alchemist. Oh, okay. Well, it looks like we just got it. All right, let's see what this thing has done. Okay. So we just gotta wait a minute. How do we know what that is? How do we even know what that is? I have no idea what that is. Gonna leave soon. I'm done with silver, waiting for MNQ to drop. Dixie is pivoting. Order or buy. Dixie's ripping to the upside. Let's see. Can we see that here? No. Yes. No. Okay. TXY. Damn, we can't look at the dollar here. Dang it. I don't know how to know what the London high is. Oh man, are you freaking kidding me? Okay. All right, let's see if we can add labels. Mhm. Oh, okay. So I got to recreate it. Okay, all right. Okay, so okay, then recreate it with the label. All right, let's see. It's thinking. It's thinking. It's going slowly. Man, I'm eating away at these credits. But by the time the day is over, I swear I'm not gonna have no credits left. Kind of like my Claude. Unsupported. Let's see. What would be an easy way to tell for a youth? Okay. Use whatever is easy to understand what it means. Let's see if we can get a little just loose on the language with it. Man, what is wrong with my Clawbot? I think I broke my algo. Is that what these lines are? No, no, that's not. That's not what that is. See, I don't even know which one it is. Maybe. Oh, no, no. I don't know how to do this. Maybe I use like white lines for that, so that way I know what they are. I'm trying to think of how to make this easy that it actually will work. Uh, 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 uh. Man, I hate these half-hearted sales. You know that? Streak still intact. Nice. Let's go. Aces acing it, man. Killing it, bro. Ski. Get that payday. So they're gonna do during New York lunch. We're like 10 minutes away. They're gonna bid this up. Get us up to that 200, up to VWAP right there. That would put us at what? 146, 187. Ooh, murder was the case. Okay. Gonna kill us to get us up there, maybe. The Bulls are believing, you know? The Bulls are, what is it? Believers. Yeah, great job on that payout, Ace. I was waiting. I want to see if we can get that, pullback so we can enter in short on this. That's what I'm waiting for. I don't like how we got all this price. Feels a little laggy too. What is that? What is adding all this? Oh, it's this thing. Oh, so I can't turn off the. Oh man, that They're just not following through for me, so I have to peel on and off the whole time. Environment is hella hostile. Yeah, it is. It is. I mean, look at that. We had that sell, and now we're building a base, climbing back up. You got people like me late to the party trying to short this. You got some people trying to go long. All right, let's. Okay, I can get into the. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I don't even know what my profit target on this account. I got 200K though. I just don't know if it's a static or what. Really don't know. The 6,620 ES short was your trade. Nice. That's a hella trade right there. That's the Blue Sky portal. That's the Blue Sky portal right there. Yeah. Oh man, now Trump is saying that he doesn't know if there's mines in the Straits of Hormuz. There could be, there might be. There's potentially maybe a few in there, but who knows? So, oh my God, man, I tell you. Can't believe our government is being run by like that. Did I really say what? Oh heck! Don't tell me I'm getting canceled. Iran. Oh, Trump. Yeah. Sorry, I'm reading a few different things at once, so apologize for that. Trump has no filter. It is. It just doesn't make any sense. We're supposed to be this great government, and I don't even want to talk about it. I don't want to talk about it. Just frustrating. Oh man, I want to wait for the next 15-minute candle. I want to see what we're gonna do. We're going into the top of the hour, the lunch hour. I think we're gonna go lower though. And we're set up for it. Although, I mean, they could buy it up and try to take it up. Maybe get it to that orb high. That 160. We're kind of in a no trade zone for me though, to be honest with you. I can't take a trade within this because we're in the orb. Oh man, these guys are driving me crazy setting off my ring. My dang ring camera keeps going off. This damn thing. Great, I'm getting buffer errors now. How is this going down, but this is going up? Interesting. The 15 doesn't look like this. I'm just kind of waiting. I want to see if we can get back up here, or if we're gonna break the low. If we break the orb low, I'll just go for it short. Let's try this out. See how this works. I haven't noticed you have a trail. You can do like a trailing stop. I thought this was kind of neat. Sorry, team. I'm just waiting here, waiting for price to pull back, give me an opportunity. Let's see if we can take that short on this thing. I just don't know if we're gonna get it. Peace, drill baby, huh? Trump said he will consider running for Venezuela. You got targets too, Donnie. Please tell him to hit today. You can snooze the camera. What do you mean? You can see my chart, right, Tiffany? Because I got the trade C on there. Sorry, it's a little boring today. Cool, 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 cool. Pull back. I don't want to chase this, but It's giving me the itch. I'm not gonna lie. Not gonna lie, it's giving me the itch. You said snooze. You said snooze the cam. You can snooze the camera. Maybe it just went over my head. I know you're talking about Trump. Uh, oh, come on, do something already. God, this is boring. It's like, hurry up. Let's go. Yeah, I think I screwed up my AI. It's not even responding anymore. Oh, my ring. Oh, yes, 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 yes. I could. The neighbor is having a pool built, so I've got like a bunch of people there, and I'm gonna do that right now that you said it, because as a matter of fact, another damn alert just went through. Yeah, I've had these people walking, and it's super funny because like our old neighbor, we got new neighbors, but like the neighbors before, they would never. Well, it was a lady. She never came outside. She was inside like all the dang time, you know. Like she was constantly like, hey, I mean, she never would come outside, so we never saw her and stuff. These new folks bought her house, and man, they were outside all the time. I told my wife, I'm like, what is wrong with you guys? Like, why are you guys all? Can you guys stay inside and stop setting off my ring camera? So Justin.
What's up, Riz? How we doing today?
I'm doing all right. Doing all right. Trying to get our sea legs under us. Starting off with some trade sea today. Been playing with the AI portion of it this morning. So
Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's sometimes it throws off some crazy stuff. So, I mean, it's nice. It's like working with ChatGPT, but right on the chart. So, cuts out a nice little step.
Yeah, I can't wait to see how much better it gets. Obviously, this is the first release candidate for the public. So, so far, it's kind of neat. It's got some neat little features. Like I said, I can't wait to see what it does. It looks like you can build strategies with it and fire off
Yep.
automated strategies through it. I really,
Yeah, I
really
think
like that.
there's more than I even know that you can do with it. So it's definitely going to be a learning curve, but I think I'm going to give it a go for a while. I mean, it's just like TradingView, but with more functions, basically.
Yep.
Have you executed a trade on it yet?
Not just yet. I've been waiting.
Yeah, it's another exciting lunch hour so far.
Oh my God. It's been so bone dry.
Yep. I saw New York Open got some movement. I saw Mike hit a couple nice trades. I took one with him.
Yeah, yeah, I think he was able to nail off a few, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, not to mention, we've got a great flash sale going on today. $100 accounts again. We've got those 100K premiums, 200K statics, and 300K statics. So, traders looking for a deal, we've got one going on today.
Yeah, that's a great deal. If you've been waiting to try that 300 or even the 200s, it's a good discount. Even the 100K premium, I mean, $100 off almost, a little bit more.
Yeah.
That's a good account too. More drawdown than most accounts. So that's good. And then that 200 is incredibly popular. The static. Looks like you're on
Yeah.
a 200 static, right?
Mm-hmm. Yep, I sure am.
Nice.
I don't know why this thing is going kind of slow though. That's same to say I don't even have Trading View open today. It just feels laggy.
Oh, I just realized you can you can like hide your P&L and your balance, all that stuff for anybody that's streaming elsewhere. That's nice to have.
That's cool.
Yeah, I've been messing around with TradeC, but I got a lot left to go through. Yeah, Nasdaq is a snooze fest right now.
It sure
I don't really see anything
is.
happen.
It's
I don't see
terrible.
anything happening right now.
Ain't nothing happening right now.
Is Trump done talking, or is he still up
I
there?
think he
I know he was
is.
on. He was on it. He's still
Should
going,
be.
man. Makes sense why the market's not doing anything right now.
Right. Okay, I think that's a little bit better. Maybe not. Should help this.
He's still going, yeah, of course. Oh man, he's still crushing it again. Nice. Hot streak, brother. Hispanics like me, and I like them. Nice. He talked to every Hispanic person.
This Hispanic like me. That is hilarious, man. That is
Right?
the Hispanics like me. It's unbelievable. You can't make this stuff up, man.
Another one of those choppy days. It seems like, guys. Leaning towards downside, but I need some. If you're not already in, you need to wait for some kind of confirmation.
Okay, I think that's better now. I think I got some resources back. It still looks kind of like laggy though.
I'm thinking if we get a nice push past 50, should get some nice continuation. Trump aced the cognitive test 3 times.
Back in just a second.
That guy is always entertaining. I'll say that. I don't know how he can sit there and talk for what's been like 2.5 hours. Pretty wild. Anybody riding shorts from earlier? Would have been a rough hold, but maybe a runner. My chop range is basically 0.50 to 100. I kind of want to stay out of this whole area. He's done. All right, see if the market wants to move then. Yeah, pretty strong bounces off 250 every time we touch. If we can break that structure, should get some good downside move. Or the day's range may have been established. Curious to see.
All right, I'm back. Sorry about that. Need to get some rocket fuel and get fired
Yes,
up
sir.
for New York lunch.
Yeah, got to get the blood pumping somehow, right?
Yeah, consolidation. See, it feels like the market is scared,
I mean, it doesn't know what to do at the moment.
Mm-hmm.
Waiting for some news to come out, just like all of us. I have a feeling we're going to break to the downside, but just every time we touch 250, we bounce. So just need to be aware of that. My full bear target for the day, if this thing wants to go, would be 900.
900. Sheesh. I could see it. I could see it.
But market needs to get some juice going, or else, it's just more of this until power hour, probably.
We're getting sell signals on NAS now.
Yeah, I mean, I'm leaning that way as well. Oh, yep, there's that 250 break, guys. Instant drop. If we can break 20, we'll get some good movement. What I'm hoping it doesn't do is just wick right back up and just stick us here all lunch hour.
Mm-hmm. I hope we'll get the continuation.
Yeah, hopefully.
Dang, these things still haven't gotten green.
Back up. That's what I did not want to happen. Nope, right back over 250. Oh, fun stuff, guys. Tough to trade the stuff when you get zero continuation. Just impulse move, and then just whipsaw right back to where it came from. That was fun. Oh, there you go, man. Did you get out on that impulse move? Took your money and ran. Took the reversal. There you go.
What kind of market we're in, right? Take your money and run.
Mm-hmm. You looking for anything specific right now, Riz, or just waiting for something that's waiting to get out of the zone?
You know, I'd like to participate on it. You know, we're just stuck in the middle of like my orb zone. So like we're not
Yeah,
quite at the bottom of the orb. So it doesn't give me a whole lot to work with here, you know. To go short here,
exactly.
you know, the chance of me getting stopped out is higher. You know, like the risk to reward right now would be like a better long, I think, if you were to really like be like itching for a trade to try to see if you could catch some upside, maybe to get to like 110. Personally, I really want to. I want the short though, you know, so I'm waiting for a pullback, you know, maybe a little breather on it, maybe get to that 110. Ideally, maybe, you know, 122. But if we get up there, worries me if the bulls are going to step in and start trying to catch up some of the sell. So kind of on my hands and
Mhm.
right now, just waiting for the setup to, you know, kind of play out for me, you know.
Yeah, that's smart. Every time I try to take a trade in the middle of a zone, it always you kind of know where it's going to go, but you don't know how it's going to get there. So getting in the middle is always incredibly risky. I'd love to just see the floor fall out here. There's only so many times the Bulls can defend the same area. Bulls pain in the ass all day. Yeah, yeah. Let's see if she's going to go. We lose 20, it's going to get real good, guys. If you are in shorts, this is definitely an area to take some profit, de-risk, because we could bounce 30 points like you just saw. One of these days, Riz will get a nice 200-point move during lunch. Just a matter of time.
Right. We had some good moves yesterday, though. Not gonna lie, we had some good trades.
Yeah, yesterday was probably the best lunch session in a few weeks, I think.
Have you ever said thank you? Yeah,
Have you ever said that? That's hilarious. You know that reporter is probably never invited back after that. All right, come on, Nasdaq, give us some follow through. This is. I was just thinking the same thing. I hate watching NQ just ping pong back and forth 25 points.
yeah, no kidding. Feels like you almost have to just take that trade and just hold on.
Yeah, I mean, literally. Watch it go green to red 20 times before a move actually happens. All right, here's 20, guys. Let's see if we can break. See if she wants to listen to me.
Yeah, I don't know why my trade seed seems like it's lagging my trading view. Like trading view seems like it's at 24.19, while trade C says I'm at 24.75.
24.75. Do you have delayed data?
I wouldn't know why I would. I didn't. I just got my credentials from Rich. Yeah, this thing is
Did you
probably.
sign the agreement? I think
Well, yeah, because
there'd be
oh,
a big.
there it is. There it is. Now it. Yeah, it moved now. There it is.
So the reason I'm watching this level, guys, is it's a fib extension from today's range. So if we can break this, this is like the last stand. So this is where you either lock your gains in or see if we just take that roller coaster ride down. Because this is a massive bounce zone, as we've seen. There we go. Come on. Give us a nice push down past 24K. Well, there's the drop I wanted. Now we'll see if me being greedy is gonna bite me in the ass or not. That pop back to 250 and hold under it was key. Missed the short entry. Yeah, damn work. Getting in the way of trading. How dare they? Go tell your boss you need a break. You're on ES. Yep, same exact setup
Oh,
as
look at
MQ.
that. You even get to take.
Exact same setup.
That's kind of cool.
You're the boss. That's hilarious. All right, 24K, guys. Will they pay us? Let's see. This data feed on TradeC is so much quicker than the TradeAvate one on TradingView.
Yeah, it seems
Watching
like
the
it's
DOM
pretty
is just like,
fast. It seems like
yeah,
the
it's just going
orders.
nuts.
It seems like the orders are actually pretty fast too.
Yeah, this is the rhythmic feed, not TradeAvate.
We got 10 seconds left on this 15-minute candle. You need tick stream for TradingView for it to work great. We get it on TradeC. That's the nice thing about it. You get ticks on here and you don't have to pay for it.
You know, have tick stream TradingView for okay.
Yeah, if you can import your Pine scripts from TradingView, that's going to be sick.
I don't see why you can't. Well, you should be able to. I'm not sure. I would think so, though. If you can make strategies on the fly, I would think you can import. $24K is hanging on for dear life.
Mm-hmm.
We are trying to pass by some 4-hour support. That makes sense. Should be smooth sailing if we can get past, though. I don't see too much holding us back.
Yeah, I know, Ace. It's the expert, which kind of sucks because premium is crazy expensive as it is. That's not even just a regular version. Premium is already the better
I'll be right
version,
back.
and you got it. You got to go up to expert. Man, I tell you, man, TradingView is so expensive. I got the email that they're raising the rates again. You know, I'm like, dang, man, like I get it, but sheesh. I try to usually get TradingView during the Black Friday sale so I can get the half off. They're offering half. They were offering half off. I don't know if they still are or not. I don't see that. I don't see the special anymore. That sucks that all that stuff is like higher and higher tiers. See, this still isn't right. The price is delayed on the. I could tell because TradingView is actually. See, oh man, see that's not cool. Why is this delayed? Like I'm literally not even moving screens and it like delayed on me. Man, this is looking gross. See, it's already no wait. Yeah, it's already delayed. I just want to see what this looks like, how this works. Let's see if this trail. Oh, look at that. That's the trail stop. Okay, that's kind of cool. That's kind of cool. That's kind of cool. All right, so wait a minute. So what is it? Okay, so the trail. Hmm. I should do 25. Let's try to go long on this now. What did I put? Dang. Hmm. Okay. I want to stay in the trade though. I don't want it to. All right, let's try this. Try this out. We're going to increase. I'm pretty sure that that's the trail. Let's go long on this again. I just don't see it. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait. The price is all wrong because the price is down here at 23. Oh my God. Maybe let's try it like this. Okay, now I see the order. That's good. It's good. Let's see. This is what my struggle is. Most of the time from the low to my stop, it was about 500 bucks, but I'm trying to hold for longer to hit a higher time frame target. Yep. And that's, kind of why I trade the way I do. I try not to put a hard stop. I'm looking for the bigger move. Yeah. And we stopped. Okay. Well, the man, I just don't know. Points. Oh, dollars, ticks. Okay. Okay, let's try this again. It's okay. Right now I'm having a little bit of lag issue with it that my strike is not my chart is not updating the same time that my trading view is. So I'm seeing a little bit of a difference in that aspect, but overall, I mean, it feels like a very similar experience to trading view. I'm interested to see how their automated strategies will work. Can I import my automated strategies from Pinecode into this platform? I really like that. Look, I mean, I got a trailing stop. I mean, it looks. Why can't we get this on Trading View? That's my question. Why can't we get this on Trading View? Why don't I wish we could have that. But to be able to have my trade just auto managed and stuff too, or like it takes the guesswork out of it. It means that the trade is just going to be managed, and I don't have to worry about it. It's not telling me the future. It just means that it hasn't refreshed. Price is there. So that's the kind of scary part, though, is because if I'm solely relying on trade C, I won't be catching an accurate read on the price. See, like right now, price is at 985, and on trade C we're at 990. So very different.
Sorry about that, Riz. Had to hop on a call. Oh, nice. We're short. Let's go.
Yeah,
Ooh, and we broke
although
24K. Okay.
yeah, we broke 24K.
All right, let's see if she wants to give it to us. How's the fill on trade C? Do you notice anything different?
Yeah, I mean, there's a substantial difference. Like right now, Trading View is showing me 990 250, and Trade C says we're at 990.
Let's
So
see.
there's a little bit of a difference. There's a discrepancy on price.
Mine looks to be the same. Huh.
So somebody's wrong.
It is, yeah, it is Tradeovate compared to Rhythmic, so I can definitely see the trade C feed updating faster than the trading view. Weird. Does anybody in the chat have both of them up? I'm kind of curious.
Hmm.
Anybody riding this short with us?
Yeah, I'm digging the trailing stop. The trailing stop is pretty neat.
That's huge for me. I really like that function, and I don't know why TradingView has never added that. It seems like it's something they could add so easily,
Oh,
and I
it's
know
there.
so many traders would love it, but it's crazy.
No,
I haven't even
trailing
messed
stop is
around.
there. Trailing stop exists in TradingView.
Does it?
It is an actual function and feature of TradingView. It's just that none of the brokers have it enabled. The only broker I know that you can use it is with
Oh,
AMP. Yeah, so like AMP funding, like a real broker, that's the only brokerage I know that actually has it.
oh, that makes sense because I don't use TradingView on my cash account. I just go straight through Tradeovate. That makes sense. I haven't even messed around. But I'm assuming we can do ATM brackets and stuff on TradeC.
Yeah, I mean you could bake in your take profit. Yeah. Put an
Yeah.
ATM
Okay.
because your stop loss and your take profit is there. So,
Mm-hmm.
I got those features right there. I could turn off
Almost max.
this.
Okay. Yeah, that's cool. I like this. I'm gonna spend a lot of time this weekend on TradeC, make some tutorial videos for everybody. Really get to know this like the back of my hand. Calling it for the week. Almost maxed out payouts on 2 accounts. Let's go, Ace. Legendary run. You're gonna be ready for brokerage soon, man. Get called up to the big leagues. Green bill no
Not my
time.
trade on the chart.
Jaja, I hope you are wrong, but this is a good space for it to happen if it's going to happen. If you're maxed out for the week, lock your accounts. Unless you just want to keep going for it.
Oh, there's a take profit.
You need to stay consistent. Yeah, that's the hard part. If consistency was easy, everybody would be a trader, right? What are you going to do with these payouts? You going to treat yourself? Going to be trading from Mexico next week? What's the deal? How did I know somebody was going to say something like that? My first ever prop payout. I flew out to Denver and saw a concert I've been wanting to see. Felt really good. I call it free money. It's not free money, but felt good not to go out of my bank account or my job account. And that couple grand could get you a hell of a vacation. And you come back, do it again the next week, and it's like you never spent it. Wife and baby, yeah, I heard that. Play some options, okay. Get some leaps or something once we actually decide what we're gonna do. I used to play zero DT all the time, and I haven't touched one of them since I started futures. I need to get into some leaps, some hedging maybe. Some short leaps for sure. Yeah. I used to just trade SPX odds zero T like a degenerate. They're fun when you're right, but when you're wrong, oh man, they are not fun. Do you ever mess with SPX, Riz, or you stay with IWM most of the time?
I sometimes I do. I used to like to trade XSP a lot. So
Oh
that
yeah,
was
like the
my other
cheaper one. Yeah, that
go-to.
makes sense.
Yeah, I used to
Yeah.
mess a lot with that. Sometimes I'll do the Qs and the SPY. It really just as long as I can find value in the market, that's ultimately what I'm looking for is where can I find the most value and bang for my
Mm.
buck.
My favorite was always playing SPX like 10 minutes left in the day. Grab like a $20 contract, see if you can turn it into a grand in 10 minutes. Those are about the only zero DTs I'll touch in. Oh, let's drop. Come on. I want that 900, Riz. I want it.
Well, you're gonna get it.
I hope so. I just hope I don't get trailed out. I got my stops at about 20 right now, so I got some wiggle room. Shorts looking good. Hope you boys clean up. Appreciate it. This is about the time in a play where it's painful to watch. Just waiting for it to happen. So I usually throw some Netflix on in the background or do something.
Back in the dollars, hoping to pace some options as we base out at some point. Yep. Least for sure. Waiting corrections though. CTAs are full ported shorts. Shorts are looking good. Hope you boys clean up. We are trying, brother. We are trying.
Even look, can you go down to like the 15-second chart and all that stuff? Oh yeah, you can. Okay. On trade C.
We're 9 minutes
They got
from
a
the
hell
top
of
of the
a
hour.
dashboard. Hell of a dashboard too. Between the BluSky one and the trade C one, you got literally. You should never pay for any kind of journaling.
Oh, look at that. Yeah.
Yeah,
I see
it's
my
cool.
red day
Yeah, it's very
already.
cool. Yeah, real time.
Damn it.
Yeah, my wife's gonna hate me, but I'll be on trade C all damn weekend. I want to know this thing in and out. What I like too is like TradingView, you have to buy premium to have like three charts up at the same time,
Mm-hmm.
stuff like that. This is
Oh.
this is free. You don't have to pay extra at all.
Mm. Stress. A lot of volume. There we go. I'm gonna buy this up now. Coming out of New York lunch, take us back up. Well, Justin, I thought we were gonna see your 900, bro.
Yeah, yeah. I'm still in. We'll see.
Oh, you're short right now, right?
I've been short since like 50.
Nice.
Yeah. I wanted to get it at like 80, but I wanted this for breaker structure we had.
Mm-hmm.
But it looks like it's trying to find a base right now, which is a little concerning for my play.
Yep. They're trying. $980 tap, then go long.
I could definitely see that. The playoff candle structures. Is that what you're basing it on? Yep, I see that. I see what you're seeing. I don't know if you guys play patterns at all, but there's a inverse head and shoulders for me on the 3-minute 2 that might push us out. I used to call it the smiley face pattern. I'll show you why.
The smiley face pattern.
Yeah, yeah, that's what I coined it as.
Oh, nice. I see it. It's your little. Yeah.
Looks like somebody's winking at you.
Yep.
And you know what? It sounds a lot cooler when you call it something different than everybody else.
Oh, that's what
Let's see.
trading
Let's see who's
is,
going to
you
get it
know?
though. This is a pretty pivotal point. Marcus got to decide if he wants to keep going or if it's just going to reverse on us.
There it is. Hmm.
3 minutes for the hourly candle. Yep, yep. Switch over. Oh, I am beyond starving though. I need to eat something.
Are you?
Yeah, I don't typically eat breakfast. I do like that intermittent fasting thing. So right around this time, my stomach is grumbling. It's about time for me to hop off. If anybody is in shorts with me still, my stops are at 20 and I want this 900. Good luck to you for the rest of the day. I will see you tomorrow, Riz.
You got it, Justin. We will see you tomorrow. Thanks for popping in and hanging with me for the midday session. You have a great day too.
Mhm. Thanks.
Man, I've gotten like stopped out like every which time. I was trying to get used to stop loss and take profit. So now I'm trying to figure out maybe I shouldn't even use that. Open to sell. Hmm. Well, dang. Okay. It's a heck of a buy candle right there. They're back. We're back. What? The front door? All right, let's. This is weird. Did it place my other order? Oh, it sure did. Okay, good. Oh, nice. Look at that. Dude, I am digging this. I am really, really, really digging this. Can I right click this and uh protect? Oh, there it is. Where's the pop-up? What? Where is it? Supposed to be able to put a trailing stop on that when you hit protect. That's usually what it does on trading view. You have a protect button and you hit protect and then it gives you the option to use the trailing stop. All right, let's see if we're gonna get that sell. Justin said he wanted what, nine? You say 920 was his target? Like way right there. Yeah. All right, let's go for it. Let's see if we can get that. Let's see if we can get that 920. I like it. We need to get green is what we need to get. We're down. From all my messing around in the morning session, trying to figure out this dang chart. Got myself all red. Terrible. Let's see if we can get this baby going. Oh, these bulls. Come on, dump this thing. Come on. These dang bulls. They're trying. You can see the candle movement on Trade C so much better than on Trading View. You know that? You don't normally see it move like this on Trading View. When add? Not right now. I'm already in with six mini micros. I'm trying to get green here, man. Down like $50. Oh my God. Come on. Come on, Bears. Don't film me now. Come on. I think they're fighting, man. They do not want to let this thing go. It's squeezing. Might be the bottom. I don't think so. I don't think we're squeezing to the upside. Testing direct channels. All right, good, good, good. See if this thing actually spits me out something. Hardest choices require the strongest wills. You're right. You're right. And it might cost us everything, right? Oh God. Okay, okay, okay. We'll put a stop in the money. All right, we'll do that. So we're not like just like oh la la land. All right, there's 30 bucks right there. We're actually green right now. What the? Well, it doesn't like that at all. Doesn't like that at all. Okay, okay, okay. We're in. We're in. Jesus Christ. I was like, why is this thing not working? No, no shot, right? One 800. Not soon enough, bro. We're getting there. We're on our way. We're up $170 now in this new account. Let's go. I want that. I want that 920 now that Justin mentioned it. You know, I want that 920 right there. Let's see. Let me check my other charts. Let me see what we got over here. See if we got what levels we got below us because we know we got a level below. Nope. Man, nothing down there. Ugh. It would be like 772. That's technically like what my chart is telling me. You might just be right about that. Damn. I don't know. I don't know about that. That's way out there. They're sending 5,000 troops to the Middle East right now, is what I'm hearing. The 82nd. Crazy. Brigade of paratroopers. Well, yeah, because they're going to have to paratroop in to secure an area. So they'll need the paratroopers in there to secure at least some area to start setting up a base instead of Iran. Some crazy stuff. Oh, most definitely. That's probably what it is. They probably are going to go after that island where that oil is so that they can secure that. Especially if it's an island, I would imagine it would probably be easier for them to kind of fortify it, and be like, oh, y'all can do whatever. We got the island with the oil. That would make sense. Staging area for Marines, then. Yeah, I guess so. We're going to be in this for a while. I don't know, my friend. Desperate times call for desperate measures. That's the only thing that's scary about that. You say something like that, these people feel that they've got nothing to lose. It makes it very simple, very easy to start doing other kinds of stuff. I think I'm going to cut this. I kind of want to cut this. I'm getting kind of worried about it. I mean, the unfortunate thing is that we're not dealing with the same type of institution like Russia or a country like that, you know. I mean, we are, but we're not, and these people are very fanatical, so it's a very different manner of how you have to kind of deal with the situation. Well, I think they would, though. Put something in a corner and, you know, don't give it any other opportunities that, yeah, I would imagine they probably would. Let's cut this. I don't want to. Let's use that flat button, right? I think there's a flat button right there, flatten all. Let's see how that works. Flattening accounts. Hmm. This even work? Okay, it did work. All right, there it is. We just flattened the account. Okay, so then we go to compass and we should be green now, I think. Oh my God. Maybe we're not. What's on your mind? There's a lot on my mind. Yeah, look at that. We're up $162. Look at that. We turned a green, and my win rate is 38%. Hey, green's all that matters. Green is all that. Probably like, man, this guy don't know how to trade. What's this guy doing over here? Watch this 980. What were you looking for at 980? A bounce there or a retest for the next leg down? I don't like that. Let's see. Trading, show, no. Execution labels. Perfect. Okay. Blah, 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 blah. Don't want inputs. Don't want that. I want values. Scale in line. Oh, time format 12 hours. Perfect. I think that's good. Perfect. I don't know. Might get a mean reversion here around this time. Mm-mm-mm. Wow, look at that. Talk about a weak market, boys. Oh man, that's crazy. How do we get in this again? Now I'm mad that I got myself out. I filled at 950. Congrats. Congrats to you, bub. Man, I know what you're gonna say. I know what you're gonna say. I'm over here paper handing it. I know exactly what you're gonna tell me. I love you too. Oh, I know, bro. I know. Yeah, I'd rather have you poke fun and do that than not because it makes me think. Makes me think. What did you walk into? I have no idea. Oh, what? Oh man, damn. Thanks, Amaro, shaking his thing. You're not gay, your boyfriend is. Oh, hardy har. You guys are terrible. Man, I can't believe this. This blows. My goodness, man, will this thing give us an entry? This chart has kind of got me some kind of way. I'm not gonna lie, because I just don't. Damn, I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Waiting. Can we catch a bid and get in this thing? That's what I want to know. And for the pullback, dang, man, the Bears are not. The Bulls can't do nothing to give us a little entry on this. I mean, it's like if we have to like chase it right now. I'm really reluctant to chase it though. Maybe we can get back to like 950 or shoot, and we're not gonna get that. This thing is just dumping. Okay. Can we get to the 26 though? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Is the bull stepping in, or what is this? Is this like a little mini W on the 15-second? And that's what we're seeing right now is that pullback. I jump back short at 950, 930 close that fair value gap. Yeah, I'm looking at it right now. This is a good spot right here. This is about where I wanted to go short. This could be the top of the 30-minute candle before we make further leg down, though. What do you think? It's a good little trade right there. Let's go. Being indecisive right now, no FOMO. I feel you. Got my stop in. It was a good entry. That's a single con right there too. I took it in my PA too. You love it. You love to see it, Riz. Let's go, bro. I'm in like 2 accounts on this short right now. Oh, don't stop me out. Don't stop me out. I'm still live in my other account. Shoot. Oh, man. I can't believe that. I hate this thing. Oh, man. Ah. Okay. Okay. Oh, it's frustrating, man. I should have taken profit on the bottom of that trend. I shouldn't have waited. Looks like we're trying to push up now. Catching that bid. Really? Hmm. What are we gonna do now? Got us up here over the EMAs on the one. I got some resistance at 976. Man, that just upsets me. You're 600 plus on the day, so I'm being picky. Watch that 980 again. Yeah, I know. Watching that. Huh. Yeah, this thing looks weak for sure. It doesn't look strong at all. Will we catch a bid at the end of the day, or will we keep selling though? That's the interesting thing. You guys are. I think you'll have a good power hour where we're at. If we continue this, I think you could have maybe another good move left in the day. And then sell signal here on NAS again. You guys be careful if you're trying to catch a bid. Oh, there's that sell. Dang it. Now it starts pushing. God, now we get that aggressive push. Why do we have to get stopped out on that position? Got a nice little base here with the range. This 932 being the lower side of the range, top side of it being 973. So you could probably scalp, top and bottom to that. Sweep the leg. This is not anywhere where it's supposed to be. It should be further down here. Look at this. I'm looking at it on the other chart and it's further down. It's like way down. See? I don't know why I'm losing my data feed with this. Oops. Maybe that's what it was. So there's a cannabis enforcement policy for next week going on. Those traders out there looking for other opportunities. This is ugly. It's like they don't even want to stop. There's that 920. There's Justin's 920. Looks like we could even see 880 down below now. Looks like they're going to go for that 860 that I got marked down on the chart below. This is just getting ugly. Horrible. Down 1.85% for the day now, the market. Ooh, Lord. We got a couple of decent trades. They're being weird about it there in Tennessee. Yeah, Justin, target smash, broski. I'm kind of mad. That would have been like $900 if I would have held that trade. Sheesh. Can already hear Ace telling me paper handing it. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god. I'm so mad at myself. Oh. No, I'm not even in it, so it makes it really tough for me to move on it now. I'm just kind of sidelined. I got stopped out on all my positions that I tried to take on it, so it's just depressing. Yeah. Well, we got 10 minutes till the top of the hour. Don't forget, guys, after market close today, we've got Coach Matt's awesome class this afternoon. So if you're looking for his trade psychology class, I'm sorry, his mentorship class, trade psychology, I'm thinking about Coach Backy. Yeah, he'll be having that after market close just three doors down in the Discord. So make sure that you guys follow that link in the chat description below because our Discord is there. We've got some great content with some great teachers and an awesome community, and we'd love to have you. Mm-mm-mm. Wow. Huh. Getting close to the top of the hour, 8 minutes now. Bulls are trying, but Bears own the market today, I'm afraid. Is a bearish market. Man, it is getting nasty out in the market. Huh. We're down over 2% on NASDAQ now, approaching 23,877. It is gross. Man, this is too much winning. This is too much winning. I swear. This is too much winning. Well, they're trying to hold that 878. It's like a resistance zone, though. Not gonna lie. Yup. God, come on, man. Come on, Bulls. Pull us up a little bit. Give us a little somewhere that we can enter on this. The only thing that worries me is that we're in the latter half of the day. If we get a mean reversion, you know, I just don't see what would do that, though. What would give the market that inclination? I think we are going to stall. It looks like it. Got 3 minutes till the top of the hour. Selling has been relentless here in the midday. Wasn't until the end of New York lunch that that institutions decided to drive the market. Hey, Steve, how's it going? Good to see you. Hope you're having a great day. We have any posts, any notifications, promotions? We got a promo. Is it a promo that dropped? Oh, nope, that's not today. Oh, don't forget, we got that $100 sale going on all our 100K premium, 200K statics, and 300K statics. So if you're looking for a great start to your trading career, then why use your money? Use our money. That's right, with funded and evals that you can test out to get your own live funds to trade with. So sign up today. FOMC 100, FOMC 200, and FOMC 300 for those discounts. Oh man, this thing is just not moving at all on this thing. Look at this. We're like at 357. We're like way far low. I don't know why this is so delayed. We're like way down here. See? Man, this is so difficult to use. It might be my system though. It's probably my system with everything else I've got running. Coming up to the top of the hour now. I'm going to attempt a long on here at the base. And don't forget, team, we've got some great classes. Like I said, we're at the bottom of the hour for me now, or at the top of the hour for me now. So I think I'm going to go ahead and call it there with you all. Has been a great trading day. Hopefully, you guys made some money. I know that you guys made some money. So, don't marry your bias. Stay flexible. Be prepared for anything. We got a lot of trading day left. You got power hour coming up in about an hour. Well, you'll have Coach Becky and Coach Matt hosting that. So you don't want to miss that. And you all have a great one. As always, good luck in the market. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget, I'll be in early. So I'll be in the pre-market half an hour. So I'll be handling the reins for the morning show tomorrow. All right, team. Have a great day. Talk to y'all later.